You're live.
Hi, welcome to Build a Cross Live on Wednesday, the 25th of January. Everybody's working hard today, got a lot going on. It's the middle of the week. Gonna paint this cute Valentine monster for you. We added several Valentine monsters to the website, didn't we?
Yes.
So, lots of fun little shapes. I can't remember how many. Thought I would do him with some fun yellows and greens today. Mixing up this Mojave.
There's 2 monster biting hearts for sure.
For sure.
For sure. They might have slightly different names, but 2 of them be biting hearts.
They're fun, especially for like younger kids. School stuff.
This weekend, I took home some of our garland pieces.
Oh yeah.
And just let Abram paint the garlands. And she did such a cute job.
Which ones did you take home?
I took home, I was taking home seasonal ones. So I took home don't spill your beverage. I took home the bunny rabbit, the shamrock, because I need to go get some twine. The shamrock and maybe the carrots. And then I took home the little triangle pieces, which she totally saw as pizzas. So she straight up colored them as pepperonis.
What?
And I took home some hearts. And she did such a pretty, like on the hearts, it was not watercolors. It was just a little craft paints. But they looked like she did like a rainbow type, just like watercolor look on them. Like she really did a good job on them. But yeah, I wanted the triangles to be, just something kind of neutral that we could use with each one. But they're straight up pizzas.
Pizzas.
Well,
good.
that's
Yeah.
fun.
Pepperoni pizzas.
She's creative
Are you
like
gonna
that.
hang them?
Yes, I am.
Pizza party.
On the mantle?
I'm going to do it on the mantle. We were having a birthday party for Lammy. So she had done them, but we didn't have any string. So he didn't get them for his birthday party. But,
Have you shown your pigs this guy yet?
No, I haven't shown my pics this guy. But we brought, like,
I sent
Jim.
that to you. Did you see it?
Yes.
Yeah.
He was so upset because, it was raining yesterday. So Randall comes in and he wants a pig to sit with. And so Jim goes out there and gets him a pig. And bless his heart, he was like, I just can't do it anymore. He's like, they're screaming and they're crying. They're scared to death. They just want to be with their mom. I was like, all right, you don't have to go ever get a pig again. Like, it just upset him so bad because those pigs are just, once they get inside, like, they do lay down with it, like with Randall. I don't say us. But, and they like, they go to sleep and just relax. But when they're having to leave
So
their
weird
mama,
to me.
it's like,
I want a pig.
It's
I wanna
pig
relax.
therapy.
Give me a pig.
yes, it is. It's like they say goat therapy. No, it's pig therapy straight up. Hey, Nancy.
Hi, Nancy.
Hey, Nancy.
Nancy, check your email today.
Whoop, whoop.
We got some new shapes. Nancy is one of our customers that sends us what she wants, and we create it for her.
Which anybody can do. Y'all can.
And Nancy, she really does, but she sells a lot. She's a pretty big wholesaler. She's in our top 5.
All right, so I did this guy with some Mojave, which I like. Is it Mojave or Mojave?
I don't know, but I really like it. I don't
Dave.
guess. Wait, that color right there is?
No, this is lemonade.
Oh, okay.
Okay, I know.
I was like,
don't-
man, it really looks like.
I'm going on top of the Mojave for blending purposes.
Yeah, it looks good.
Mojave. I think that's what I've heard it called.
Yeah.
But I could be wrong too.
I've heard of mahogany.
Yeah.
Not mahogany, Mojave. Like it's a
Mojave?
Indian word.
It's what? Mojave.
It's an Indian term, native term. Like Mojave.
What does it mean?
I don't know, but it's this yellow color.
It must
Hey
just be
Siri,
a color.
what does Mojave mean?
Mojave Desert means a
Oh.
desert in Southern California.
So it's
to the
desert color.
southeast of the
Okay.
Sierra Nevada
Makes
and north
sense.
And east of Los Angeles.
The Mojave
And
Desert.
it's Mojave. That's it.
Well, we say, I mean, yeah, I do
That's
believe
what
it's
she said.
Mojave, but it's not like Siri knows how to
Pronounce anything.
pronounce,
right.
like what? Louisville.
Anything.
Yeah, she's going to be like, Louisville Boulevard.
When I call Brittany, it's Brittany Bouillon.
Yes, Brittany. How appropriate.
All right, so I like that color. It's a fun monster color, I think. I'm gonna do his heart and his heart ears, ear boppers with some pink. You'll come back with the teeth on top of the heart, so don't stress it.
I was wondering if you were going to stress about the teeth or go in between.
Well,
Or...
no, because you're gonna come back on top of the heart with teeth. Okay. So don't really stress it at all. These just remind me of little kids' Valentine's cards, like the kind you buy in the pack to take to class. Do kids still have to make Valentine boxes?
No, they don't, and I so wish they did, because that is one of the few school projects that I got into with Alice and Jim.
It's like, though, there's no competition these days because the parents go wild making them for them.
We didn't go wild. It was just fun. Like, we decoupaged it. Like, it was just a fun thing. But
I remember this one time it snowed really big in North Arkansas, and so we had snow days. So I was like, let's knock these out. Let's get these over with. And all I had at the house to decorate with was Victoria's Secret tissue paper and bags, because it's like pink and hearts and stuff. And I let them just cut it out and glue it all over the boxes. So they went to school with Victoria's Secret Valentine boxes.
That's funny. That is funny.
Okay, is there
Yes, this is Dixie Belle. What are those colors?
This is Mojave yellow with a little bit of lemonade yellow on top of it. This is soft pink and honky tonk red, which I love to make a pink out of.
How is it spelled?
Which one?
I guess the pinks.
Soft.
Which, Nancy, right now on our website, the Dixie Bells are blinded because we're having to go through. They've increased some of their prices, and they've changed the availability of several of the sizes. So we're having to go through and fix that right now. The
right.
Indian one, the Mojave.
Like the Mojave Desert. Like
How do you spell?
Mojave.
Where is it?
Mojave. Mojave.
Yes. Mojave.
Sorry, Instagram.
It's a silk
didn't
one
use
too.
the phone.
Sorry, yeah.
All right. So I just blended those together for his heart right there, and now I'm gonna do his little ear boppers the same way. I don't know why I washed my brush out for that, but I did.
The ear bubbles. Yes, that's it.
The Mojave is a mineral silk paint.
Yes.
I had to think about it. You look like Elsa with your hair braided like that.
Oh man, my head's so sore because my hair's 3 days.
Like you should be singing "Let It Go."
Let it. I'm not going to that.
She was about to.
I know.
I can't do 3 days because it falls out. It starts breaking.
Yeah, 3 days was too many.
There's people who go a week.
I can't.
Me
There's
either.
people who go like 30 days.
Like, you must have a lot of breakage and hair falling out when you do go to wash it.
Also, ew.
Right. I don't.
They be
want to.
using all the products. Like, that's just as much work to me.
As washing it.
Like, and I feel like my face gets oily.
My hair holds curl and looks better when it's plain. So.
Oh, now my hair holds better curl when it's dirty. I'm not gonna lie, it does. But
So I'm gonna
I
use
still don't
this caviar black.
You're making his teeth black?
No,
Okay.
for the behind the teeth, the inside of his mouth. And so
Cavities.
do this little area back here so that your teeth can pop out on top of all of that. This is just the inside of his mouth. We'll do the white the very last.
He ate all that Valentine's candy and now
Yep.
Well, the inside of the mouth is dark behind the teeth on any kind of character, really. paint this pupil black. And then we'll come back with the white on top. These are so much fun. You could order like a bunch of different monsters and have all the grandkids for the weekend and everybody paint one. You could paint these for your kids' classroom.
I have to admit, like, it really was. I'm not one to really love the letting her paint, but I got some brown paper, put it on the counter, and just let her sit there so I could do housework, and it wasn't boring for her.
And she
and-
didn't want to do housework.
No, yes. And so she wouldn't do housework, and she had a good time.
This is mint julep. I'm just adding to his little scaly scale tail here. I think that this green, this minty green, or a farmhouse green goes really well with the Mojave. I'm also gonna put it on his antennas for fun, or his boppers. I always call those bopper headbands, like that the kids have.
Yeah.
Little I have Valentine boppers. I just remember that with hearts.
What you gonna do with them?
I don't know. I've always had them.
They canceled Florida Orange altogether?
I don't think so. I think you can
No,
get
she's saying
it.
they canceled it. Nancy is. I'm
Well,
looking at all that today.
Yeah, I don't think it's canceled, but it's it's special seasonal. We can still see it on our end, on the wholesale end. It's like limeade where they're going to just like 4-ounce ones.
Yeah.
So I'm adding some little highlights here with this mint. I'm liking the way that looks. Now we're gonna do the white.
Yeah, and 4 ounces is nothing.
Yeah, a lot of
Which
people.
one's a 4-ouncer?
The little one.
Yeah, like the itty bitty
A
one.
lot of people are excited about the 4 ounces though because they can try it without having to buy
Yeah.
a big one.
But like Florida Orange is a good pumpkin color.
Well, it's only been a 16-ouncer for a while. We always use terracotta, is what Scarlett and I like to use for orange. So now we're doing his his eyeballs. What do you call that part of the eye?
The white.
I
There
don't
you
even
have
know.
it.
The white.
Yeah.
With a little bit
Did it
of
have
red
a
lines
claw?
everywhere.
Does it have a name? The red lines are blood vessels.
I don't know if it has a name. Does anybody know? Does the white of the eye have a specific name? I've always just called it the white of the eye. I'm real technical.
All right, now I'm going to do the teeth.
She also calls things thingamaflatcher.
Yeah, Doomaflatcher, Thingamabob. Just like Little Mermaid.
That's what I was fixing
Yeah.
to say, Little Mermaid style.
Whatchamacallit.
I'm trying to recover my brain cells.
I'm good at using words that sound smart, but they aren't. You just don't know it because you don't know the real word either.
William Higdon really likes your earrings.
Thanks, William. Casey bought these for me for my birthday. I really love them.
I have to say, I've seen you wear them so many times, which, I mean, makes me feel so good that you like
Sclera
them.
is the name of the white of the eye. Yes,
Yes,
I've definitely
that's right.
never
It's
used
called
that term.
Sclera.
Sclera.
Yes, I knew that.
I
knew
never
it was
even heard
something.
that.
Kay wants to name the monster Doug.
Doug, he is a little Dougie.
He does look like a Doug.
Yep.
Little Dougie Doug. Just biting into love. It's a love bite. So now I'm painting the teeth. When I hit it with my little marker,
You should put some gold on there.
a gold teeth.
Oh my
I
goodness,
do
yes.
give the crawfish a gold tooth when I do the Mardi Gras crawfish. He always gets a gold tooth. Which I do have one of those cut to do soon. All right.
Dougie's cute.
Little Dougie Doug. He's a troublemaker.
Oh, William says I'm Natalie, not William. Hey, Natalie.
Well, I don't feel as special now. Thanks, William.
Yeah.
Where did you get these earrings?
Amazon.
Amazon. I buy all my chandelier beaded earrings on Amazon. They have good ones. And
Yeah.
They're not expensive.
I went through and through and through until eventually they kind of all started looking alike and similar. And I was like, okay, I'm going to come back.
Yes, Carrie, you can order custom words on the website. You just, in the search bar, type in custom, and it'll pop up our availabilities.
I'm going to use this Sharpie marker again because I have not gotten my new ones in that I ordered, my smaller ones. So I'm just going to kind of lightly go around the edges here. I'm not quite going to like bear down like I do when I'm actually doing an edge. I'm just going to do some swipes throughout here. Are we going to give away kettle corn today?
Sure. You can give away kettle corn.
Just some more swipes. There's Dougie. As he does.
Soup's adorbs.
So cute.
All right. Who's our
So
winner?
cute. We can give Sue Isbell some kettle corn today.
Sue Isbell, email us at support@build-a-cross.com and we will send you some kettle corn. Happy Valentine's book coming up.
Thank you. Y'all have a great day.
Bye.
Bye.